Good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel. 2021 is a fantastic year for everyone as S&P 500 have made great gains. As we move towards the beginning of 2022. In 2022, we have to take note of three factors. First, higher inflation is not good for stocks because it increases borrowing costs, increases input costs, materials, labor, and reduces standards of living. Most importantly, it reduces expectations of earnings growth, putting downward pressure on stock prices. Second, tapering signals the eventual onset of monetary tightening. This means higher interest rates on mortgages, consumer loans, and business borrowing. When this happens, both businesses and consumers will cut back on spending. This will cause earnings to fall and stock prices to drop, and the market may tumble in anticipation. Third, as the COVID-19 pandemic becomes endemic, it will be business as usual and there could be a potential shift from tech sector to other sectors such as tourism, consumer discretionary. To mitigate inflation, we can look at companies who can raise prices easily, hence they are able to increase or maintain their profit. These are usually companies with strong pricing power and strong monopoly. Examples of these companies includes McDonald's, Starbucks, Nike, Apple, and Louis Vuitton. Tapering not only means the end of the central bank's expansionary policies, it also signals the eventual onset of monetary tightening. That, for one, means higher interest rates on mortgages, consumer loans, and business borrowing. In this kind of situation, companies such as banks, insurance companies, or companies with strong cash position is likely to perform better. As COVID-19 pandemic gets better, many investors would shift their focus from the technology, vaccine stocks to the tourism-related stocks and invest in sectors such as hotels, airlines, and casinos. As such, you may want to reallocate your portfolio accordingly. I hope all these information will help you prepare and navigate 2022 better. If you find this useful, please like, share, and subscribe as I will be sharing more about investing and money-saving tips.
Huh.